First, give a hand for the unit breaks.
Welcome everyone to the Society by Technologists.
An experience.
What's your position in this?
Thank you all for participating. And I find that it's really good at highlighting some of the real critical issues that we're facing with technology in our society. And the thinkers that are on stage really help you to think differently.
If you haven't ever changed the system,
You look at those big map diagrams, it feels like we know what's happening. Look at it, it's kind of...
AI is learning, right? And it's not
design approaches again.
You see the journalists and scientists.
I'm fully inspired, so not only with the people that I heard talking, but also the people who are here.